Cooking from home has exploded in popularity. Everyone's stuck at home in their kitchens, and they're searching for new recipes and ways to cook. So, how do you get them to notice your food, beverage, or kitchen brand instead of all the others? You spend lots of time and money trying to drive traffic to your e-commerce shop or website, but are you seeing great returns for your ad spend? Get a 100% qualified audience, interactive ads, and higher conversions with tinychef. tinychef is an app that runs on Amazon Alexa, helping at-home chefs improve their cooking skills. By running ads on tinychef, you will get instant feedback on your ads from your target audience. Users have to respond positively or negatively to the ad, so there's no way of ignoring it. Here's a quick demo.
A must-have for your kitchen, the Tupperware Great Master Shredder accessory offers 2 cones, a fine cone and a coarse cone, to grate or shred your ingredients in different shapes and textures. It's simple to assemble, and thanks to the design, food can't escape the grater. So no more messy countertops.
Each ad is featured within the perfect context. So if our tinychef recipe tells them to cut vegetables, we'll promote the perfect chopping product that matches what they're doing. This way, your ads have perfect timing and 3 to 6 times more conversion power. Now, you can start engaging home cooks with your branded recipes, get actionable insights, and laser focus your ads. Contact us today to learn more and get a customized demo for your brand.